it's just insane how much rain we have had. I know it's just been tough on your mind too, right? All these days that are cloudy and dreary and rainy. And, in the southeast, we've had a lot of rainy days. We haven't had as much rain back here in the southern plains, but we are going to get it this week. So I want to talk about it. We've got a high risk of flash flooding, and that's really important to know. That red area that we have is very likely is a high risk as issued by the Weather Prediction Center. We don't get these high risks all the time, actually, and they account for 80% of the yearly flood damages. So there are events that don't happen that frequently, but when they do, they're usually pretty intense. Moderate risk days account for 5% of the yearly flood damages. These high risk days, at least $1 million in damages on 66% on the high risk days. So they're known, they have a history, unfortunately, of being very damaging and could potentially be deadly as well. 35% of the yearly flood deaths happen on the high risk days, and we have that here today. So here's a closer view of the area under that high risk. We've got Starkville, Mississippi, Winona, Columbus, Jasper, Alabama, Coleman, Alabama, Gadsden, even the northern half of Birmingham. You're in this high risk area for flash flooding. The ground is saturated. Kelly just talked about all the rain we've had all across the zone, and we're about to get more. Birmingham, the rain working in. We're in some very steady, if not heavy rain right now in Columbus, one of those places that's under that high risk. Jackson, you've got some steady rain as well coming on down, and there's more to come through the day today. Now, we could even have severe weather. I'm going to take a look at that, but we've got that risk going in through the afternoon, especially storms, rain, heavy at times, potential for some strong damage winds possible as well. This is 5 o'clock, and this is blasting through the Atlanta metro area. Potential strong winds, but heavy rain is going to be one of the more widespread concerns that you all see there. Midnight tonight, we've got another surge of moisture coming on in, more rain coming in into your early Tuesday morning. Brief break, but you can see there's more on the way back here as well. So it's going to take until the end of the week to get all of this through. We've got a couple of rounds of rain coming in. Today's risk out there is also for severe weather. We've got the chance of damage winds as the biggest threat, but there's also a tornado risk that we have here from northern Louisiana nosing into parts of Mississippi. And then, Kelly, that chance for heavy rain again and again this week.
Yeah, there's a reason